Hi, my name is Mark. I run a healthcare company called Get Fit. I was fortunate enough to attend a couple of James's events and eventually decided to sign up for the Inner Circle. And the reason is really simple. You know, at all the workshops and conferences that I've attended over the years, I've learned a tremendous amount. But what action have I taken? Not so much. So I realized that the key to implementation and taking action is in the mentoring and having some accountability with your coach or your mentor. That's why it was an absolute no-brainer to sign up with James and make sure that he basically got me to take action and implement according to a timetable and a schedule. James is always there for you. I've learned so much. And the bottom line is, you know, what he's helping you to do is build funnels for your business. And at the end of the day, if you don't have your funnels in place, you're not going to be generating consistent inquiries and growing your business. So that's what James will help you with. He's always there and available for you. And not only that, he's done this for so many people year in, year out, time and time again. He's got all the assets, all the things available. So if you're using ClickFunnels or Infusionsoft, absolute no-brainer. James will take you through it. He's already got a lot of the materials that he can simply copy and send over to you. So not only are you going to implement, but it's going to be much easier and much quicker. He's been pushing me really hard. You know, we've got so much done really in just 2 months near on. We've just completed huge amounts of our sales funnels. We're starting to market now. And James, I can't thank you enough. And if you're sitting there wondering whether you should sign up for the Inner Circle, trust me, it's a no-brainer. Enjoy.